Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this DIY video, we're going to show you how easy it was for us to transform our bathroom without breaking the bank. We used a cabinet transformation kit to paint the cabinets, and the kit comes with enough materials for us to do our other bathrooms. Totally worth it for beginners like us. I'm going to link the items we used in the description, but now on with the video. So for the cabinets, we used this Rust-oleum brand cabinet transformation kit that was recommended to us. So make sure that you read the back, read the instructions really good to make sure you don't need to get any extras. For us, we wanted to paint the cabinets white. So we also had to purchase a cover stain primer that was recommended, but the box comes with a CD that really explains how to do some of the steps, and it's just a really great kit, and we can use it in our other bathroom and even in our kitchen. It really can cover a lot of cabinets.
Brushes, I got a drill so I can get all the old hardware of the cabinets. We got the new hardware. Got little Miska supplies. So the first thing first is we don't have any hardware on our old cabinet, so we're gonna put the new ones on. And to do that, I would recommend drilling the holes for hardware prior you start doing the cabinet. This way you don't have to damage your newly finished paint. First we're gonna take the old hardware off. I'm not going to be reusing this one, so you don't need to save it, but if you want to be reusing yours, I recommend you get a Ziploc bag and put all the screws in. Next, before we start doing anything with painting the cabinets, I'm going to pre-drill holes for our new hardware, especially since ours did not have any hardware on it before. So what I'm doing is I measured the lengths, found the middle of it, measured the heights, found the middle of it. That's what the cross is for. Then, to make my life easier, pick a piece of paper. I measured the holes on my hardware, basically creating a template. Found the middle point between the two holes. That's where it's going to be. I taped our template so it will be easy for me to drill. And what I'm doing is I'm drilling on this brick of wood. And there's two reasons. Reason number one, so you don't damage your work surface. Reason number two, when the drill bit will go through the surface over here, since it's going on another piece of wood, it's not gonna leave a nasty looking exit hole with all the wood pieces.
We discovered some wallpaper behind the mirror, leaving our wall flat and not textured like the rest of the walls. So we got this very small can of texture spray for the little space that we needed, sprayed it on, painted it, and it looks exactly like the rest. So now that we have about 2 coats of paint on the wall and it's pretty dry, we are going to be hanging our towel holder up, and we are going to be putting up our toilet paper holder. Hey guys, so that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. I really hope this video gives you the inspiration you need to start your next DIY project. Thank you guys so much for watching.